Hi, I'm Genevieve Swift from Lashof Violins, and today I'm going to show you the best way to change a violin string. Everyone who plays a stringed instrument will eventually have to replace a broken or worn out string. It is a quick task with a few simple steps that will have you playing again. Before we begin, a word of caution: only change one string at a time. The bridge and the sound post rely on string tension to stay in place. Releasing all or most of the string tension can cause the bridge or the sound post to move or even fall. To complete this task, we need a soft space to rest the instrument. I've put a towel down on a stable surface. We also need our new string and a number 2 pencil. Carefully remove the string from the packaging to avoid bending or crimping it. Run your fingers along the length of the string to check for imperfections or damage. You will find that the string has a silk wrapping at each end. The end that goes into the tailpiece or fine tuner will have a ball or sometimes a loop. The end that goes into the peg will be straight. Side note, if you're unsure what brand of string you have, consult our string identification chart for a colorful reference guide. Before installing the string, you will do these 4 things. First, turn the fine tuner screw out. Second, use a number 2 pencil to apply graphite to the notch for the string on the bridge and for the notch in the nut. Finally, check that the peg is turning smoothly. If your peg is sticking, you will hear it and feel it. Remove the peg and add some Lava brand soap. If your peg feels loose, add some Hill peg compound to help make a better connection. Next, take your tailpiece end of the string and place the ball into the claw of the fine tuner or groove in the tailpiece. Use the pencil tip to gently push the ball into position if it doesn't go in on its own. Guide the string up to the scroll and be mindful that each string has its own lane. This is obvious over the bridge and fingerboard, but things can get a little murky in the peg box. Find the string hole in the peg. You may need to slightly pull the peg out of its position. Thread the string into the peg. Give yourself some extra on the other end to wrap over, and turn the peg away from you. The string is always wrapped over the peg, not under. Coil the string around the peg, hiding away the extra bit, and head towards the peg head. Make sure to turn the peg slowly during this process and to pluck the string along the way to make sure you don't over tighten or break the string. Press the peg in towards the peg box to create the compression needed to hold the peg in place. Congratulations! You've installed a violin string. For more information about tuning, check out our video, How to Tune Your Violin. And for more information about our shop, check out lashofviolins.com. Thank you for watching.